Tired of trying to choose between all the bland, mundane type of flush door pulls on the market? It seems that most of them fit either a contemporary or modern theme. Wild West Hardware thinks there should be more choices when it comes to choosing a flush door pull. That is why we are introducing our exclusive new design. It's hot off the press and is not offered anywhere else. This is a one-of-a-kind flush pull that can meet the themes of Old World, Mediterranean, rustic, Tuscan, country, and more. It features an aged, pitted, distressed surface and is available in black powder coat finish. The pull is made of solid iron and includes matching wood screws. There are two sizes available, our regular and our large. The regular size is 1.5 inches wide by 5 inches long and protrudes just over 1/4 inch from the surface of a door. The large size measures 2 inches wide by 7 inches long and also protrudes just over 1/4 inch from the surface of a door. We hope that this video has helped you in your search for the right pull and look forward to doing business with you soon. Thank you very much.